A key moment for gold is coming. At this week's Jackson Hole Symposium, Powell is about to go live. The moment he speaks, he could set the tone for gold's trajectory in H2. Now, let's start with the technicals. On the daily chart, gold has fallen below the 50-day moving average, this psychological barrier, and has pulled back over 2.8% from the early month high. This morning, prices are moving closer to the critical $3,300 level. If it breaks, the next stop could be $3,250, the low from May to June. A rebound? Gold firstly needs to overcome the resistance combo of the 50-day moving average and $3,400. Why the recent slump? Two main pressures. First, geopolitical risk is taking a break. Trump-Putin didn't really produce anything concrete, but the talks with Zelensky gave markets some hope. Second, Fed rate cut expectations are getting discounted. Slower rate cuts reduce gold's appeal as a zero-yield asset. But gold isn't collapsing. It's holding above $3,300 thanks to the growing doubt about Fed independence. Trump keeps shouting for more easing, expanding the list of dovish Fed chair candidates, while business hustles to interview potential successors at around Labor Day. Gold, as a dollar hedge option, still sees buyers quietly stepping in. With bulls and bears clashing, I see short-term gold likely to keep consolidating unless one of two black swan events happens: a surprise 50 basis point cut or a sudden breakdown in Russia-Ukraine talks. Both look fairly unlikely for now. The real headline, Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, is the main event. With mixed US economic data and August non-farm payrolls and CPI still pending, he probably won't review all his cards, sticking to a data-dependent approach. But watch closely. Any surprise hawkish or dovish signal will shift the market. So, do you think Powell will continue steady as he goes or hint at a bias? And can gold hold at $3,300? Drop your thoughts in the comments.